Coming up next is the tip of the week. Stay tuned for tips, tricks and more about Android.
And now we come to our tip of the week, and this week Fee is going to show us how to restore some quite valuable audio settings in the Zoom app which have disappeared from the main screen. Take it away, Fee.
Hello, this week's tip is all about Zoom and original sound. Zoom, as most of you will know, is often used by people, especially since the 2020 lockdowns, but some people used it before that, for conference calls. A lot of people turn on their cameras so that they're video calls. Some people, like me, are a bit more shy and we just have our audio switched on. And it's used for many things, including work meetings, family get-togethers when people aren't nearby or they're not allowed to meet because of lockdowns. People have done quizzes on Zoom, but the other thing people have often done on Zoom since 2020 is musical events. Zoom is very clever. During meetings, it will cancel out any noise that isn't someone speaking, which is great if you're having a speech-only meeting. However, if it's a musical gathering, it's not good at all, because as soon as someone starts to play a piano or a guitar or any other kind of an instrument, you can't hear it, and you may not be able to hear them very well either, because Zoom thinks, oh no, that's unwanted background noise, we don't want that, and cancels it. So, there's now a solution for this, which has been available for a very long time, called turning on original sound. Now, I used to be able to do that very easily on my phone, but recently I honestly thought that you couldn't do it on your phone anymore. And so I only did speech type meetings through my phone rather than musical ones because I believed it wasn't possible to improve the situation. However, happily, after some exploring, I found I was wrong. So I thought I would share it with all of you how to turn on original sound. It's not just for music either, you know, if there are other sounds that are not speech that you want to share with people, turning on original sound is the thing to do. Open Zoom.
Opening. Zoom. Meetings. Showing items 1 to 2 of 2. Personal meeting ID. PMI. New meeting. Button.
So I could start a new meeting here and do various things. I'll be honest now and say I tend to generally go to other people's meetings and it'll just open them in Zoom because that's a choice I've made before. I don't often just open Zoom because I'm not usually the host. But I found something very useful in the settings when I was actually looking for something else the other day.
Join button. Schedule button. Share screen button. Add a calendar. In list. Selected. Meetings tab. In list. 4 items. Team chat tab. Contacts tab. More tab.
So in the More tab.
More tab. More tab. Selected. Page 4 of 4. More. Out of the feed on. Basic. Try Zoom 1 Pro.
No, I don't want to do that.
Added features. Heading. Mail. Calendar. Whiteboard. Settings. Heading.
Settings I want, so I'm going to swipe right from that.
Meetings.
That's what I want. I'm going to double tap Meetings.
Zoom. Back button. Meeting audio. Heading. Auto connect to audio. Off.
Now, Auto Connect to Audio, I'm going to switch that on because it's really annoying when you join a meeting on your phone. Once you've joined, you won't hear the audio unless you press a button that usually says Wi-Fi or cellular data, or there's, I think, a dial-in button, which is, I think, not as good quality. So I'm going to turn this on. I'll just get it to speak it again.
Auto connect to audio. Off.
Auto connect to audio, so I'll double tap that.
Zoom. Back button.
Oh, okay.
Auto connect to audio. Off. Selected. Wi-Fi or cellular data.
Oh, okay, so it's gone into a choice, so I can choose off, Wi-Fi or cellular data.
You will be automatically connected to audio when you call someone or answer. Wi-Fi or cellular data.
I'll tap that.
Wi-Fi or cellular data. Selected.
Good.
You will be automatic. Back button.
Now I'll go back.
Zoom. Auto connect to audio. Wi-Fi or cellular data. Mute my microphone. Off. Switch. Use original audio. Off. Switch.
And use original audio, that's what I want.
On. Switch. Ticked. This will allow you to enable or disable original sound in a meeting. Original sound will disable noise suppression.
So you have to have turned this on,
Use original audio. Ticked. On. Switch.
otherwise the option won't be available to you once you're within a meeting. So if, like me, you've been missing that option, that's how to get it back.
This will video. Heading.
And then we've got video options.
Turn off my video. Off. Switch.
I'm going to turn off my video.
On. Switch. Video. Aspect ratio. Keep virtual. Turn off my video. Ticked. On. Keep aspect mirror my video. Ticked. On. Show video preview. Ticked. On. HD video. Picture in picture. General. Heading. Picture in picture. Ticked. On. General. Always show meeting controls. Ticked. On. Show closed captioning when available. Ticked. On. Show my connected time. Off. Switch.
I don't want to show my connected time. That would just get on my nerves, I think, because it would keep changing and being longer and longer as the call went on, and that would just get in my way, but it might be useful for some people.
Show name when participants join. Ticked. On. Show non-video participants. Ticked. On. Ask to confirm when leaving a meeting. Ticked. On. Safe driving mode. Ticked. On. Switch.
I don't need that because I don't drive, so I'm going to turn that off.
Off. Swipe right to disable video and audio when driving. Show user profile icon next to in-meeting chat messages. Ticked. On. Switch reaction skin tone. Animated reactions. Tick. Show animations on video. Clapping. Image. Thumbs up. Heart. Joy. Open Tada. Auto copy. Invite. Back. Meeting setting. Back. Button.
Right, I've done all I want, so I'm going to go back out of that now.
Zoom. Meetings. Contacts. Team chat. General. Other. Heading. Scan QR code. About.
So there you go, that's how to get the original sound back and to automatically connect audio so that you don't have to do that extra step every time you join a Zoom meeting.